করতালি আনন্দ আপনাদের সকলের কাছ থেকে। পরবর্তী प्रापक श्री Tripura from Tripura नंदी मोहताजी हम बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त कर रहे हैं उनका। सम्मान नीचे माननीय इंटरनेशनल रेड्डी नंदू महोदयजी महामान्य राज्यपाल महोदयजी। পরবর্তী प्रापक श्री राहुल चौधरी PE24। পরবর্তী प्रापक প্রস্তুত থাকতে অনুরোধ করছি শ্রী শ্যামল দেব from
Honorable Governor, His Excellency, I thank you, the Tripura Legislative Assembly Authority, for inviting me to this occasion as well as to this dais. When I speak, I must frankly share with you that I have developed serious misgivings in my mind over the efficacy of Parliament or functioning of legislature at the central level, because of the disruptive role played by a section of elected members in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha through their misconduct, false presentation, fakery, and mindless personal attacks on issues that simply do not exist. I would like to make it clear that here I am putting the blame squarely on non-left opposition. The left forces in the country are now reduced, but no left member of Parliament has ever resorted to such brazen personal attacks and raising false issues.
Heartfelt congratulations to all the senior journalists and media professionals being honored today from print, electronic, web and photojournalism. Your lenses, pens and voices have not only documented history but have also strengthened democracy by bringing the working of the Legislative Assembly into the homes of every citizen, especially in Tripura. The media is rightly called the fourth pillar of democracy. In a vibrant democracy like ours, your role goes beyond reporting. It is about enabling informed public discourse, ensuring transparency and holding power accountable. The coverage of assembly proceedings with the legal and constitutional framework is a sacred duty.